Diana and Jessica are college friends. After 10 years of gap, one day, by chance, they meet in a seaside park. Let's come, listen to their conversation, how they talk to each other. Before starting the conversation, if you are new on the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hi Jessica, how are you? It's been a long time since I met you.
I'm good. I'm glad to see you so smart and healthy.
How is life?
Life is good. I'm married now. Are you married or single yet?
I'm married and happy. What do you do for life?
I work in a restaurant. Do you have any job?
Yes, I work in a Gucci store as a manager. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have a lovely daughter. What about your family, Diana? Have you kids or not yet?
Yes, I have. I'm a mother now.
That's wonderful. How many kids do you have?
I have 2 children.
That's nice. Are they boys or girls?
I have 1 boy and 1 girl.
How old are they?
My son is 5 years old, and my daughter is 3.
That must keep you busy.
Yeah, it does, but I love being a parent.
What are the names of your kids?
My son's name is Andrew, and my daughter's name is Anna.
Those are lovely names. Do they get along well?
Usually, they play together and have fun.
That's great to hear. Do they go to school?
Andrew just started kindergarten, and Anna goes to preschool.
It must be exciting for them.
They were really excited to start school.
Parenthood sounds like an amazing journey.
It has its challenges, but it's very rewarding.
I'm happy for you, Diana. Your family sounds lovely.
Jessica, tell me about your daughter's schooling.
She goes to kindergarten. She is very happy with her little friends at her school.
That's great to hear. Has she come here with you?
Yes, she is here. She is playing in the playground.
Wow, that's good. My kids are also there in the playground.
Well, Diana, tell me about your husband. What is he like?
Wow, my husband. My husband is an amazing person. He is energetic, cheerful, and fun to be with.
What does he look like?
He has dark short hair, black eyes, and a big smile. He is a handsome and muscular man.
Wow, that sounds awesome. How does he treat you in everyday life?
He is very caring. He spends a lot of time with me and our kids.
That's nice of him. What does he do?
He is a doctor.
Is he a specialist?
Yes, he is a skin specialist. He is a competent doctor.
Oh, I see. That's why your skin glows.
Both laughing. No, I myself take care of my skin. But you are right too. I get useful information about skin from him. Where is your husband?
He is out of the city.
Why is he out of the city?
Actually, he has a marketing job, so usually he has to go out of the city to attend seminars.
That must make problems for you.
Sometimes it does, but I'm used to it.
Where do you spend your vacations?
We usually go to Switzerland.
Great! Switzerland is a beautiful country. I love Switzerland.
Have you ever been to Switzerland?
Yeah, last year, Peter took us to Switzerland on vacation.
How did you find Switzerland?
It is an amazing country. Snowy hills and green valleys make it wonderful.
Where did you stay in Switzerland?
We visited Basel, Bern, and some villages.
It sounds like you guys had a lot of fun.
Yes, we really had a lot of fun. Jessica, what do you do when you're free at home?
Sometimes I watch a movie, but usually I do cooking.
Do you love cooking?
Yes, I do. I like home-cooked meals.
That's great. Home-cooked meals are good for health.
Do you cook at home?
Rarely, we often eat out. What do you cook well?
Fish and chips is my favorite dish. I cook it very well.
Wow, delicious. Fish and chips is my favorite too.
Someday, I will cook for you. Would you like to visit my house?
Of course I will. That's very nice of you to invite me to your home. Do you go out on the weekend?
Usually, we go to the seaside park or restaurant. But sometimes I stay at home to try new dishes. Jack also helps me in the kitchen. We talk, listen to music, and have a lot of fun at home.
That sounds fun. Wish you a happy weekend. See you soon, Jessica.
See you next weekend. Bye, Diana.
Bye, Jessica. If you had liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.